Applying a Somnotouch device. This device will have been given to you by a healthcare professional to gather information about your child's sleep overnight. This video is an extra guide and should not replace the advice given to you by your healthcare professional. Start by removing all the equipment from the bag. You may have also received a CO2 monitor in the equipment bag. Start by locating the blue and white belts. Using the pictures on the front, place on your child's chest and stomach. Go around the body with the white bands. Connect the belt and blue clip using the poppers on the rear. The chest belt should be positioned and run through the nipple line, while the stomach belt should run through the belly button line. The belts should be tight enough to make sure they do not slip down the body. If they are too loose, you can tighten them in the following way. This belt is too loose and will not work. Pull the band tight and pinch the excess portion of the band. Using tape, go around the slack to fix in place. Now find the SpO2 sensor and extension cable. Remove these items from their packaging and connect together. The following demonstration shows the sensor on the finger. It is recommended to use the toe for younger children. Peel the plastic backing off the SpO2 sensor. The sun symbol on the probe should be placed on top of the nail. Wrap the probe around, ensuring that the moon symbol is on the underside of the finger or the toe. A nasal cannula will be in plastic wrapping. Remove it and find the part with two prongs. The prongs need to sit inside the nostrils. The tube then goes over the ears and then tightens under the chin. The three sensors, the blue clips, the SpO2 probe and the nasal cannula will now need to be attached to the device. If the device is auto started, please note you will not see this message. The blue clip goes into the half moon shape on the top left of the device. Press firmly. The SpO2 probe goes into the bottom right of the device. Match the shape and press in firmly. The nasal cannula goes onto the underside of the device. Screw in clockwise. The sensors can be checked to make sure they are working. The two numbers displayed are heart rate, shown in yellow, and oxygen saturation, shown in blue. Pressing the line in the bottom right will show a new panel. Nasal flow, which is obtained from the nasal cannula, ripped thorax and ripped abdomen, should all have wavy lines. If flow, rip thorax or rip abdomen are displaying straight lines, it is not working. Remove the sensor and plug back in. The Somnotouch device is now ready. If you've been asked to monitor CO2, then continue watching this video. Connect the device to a power socket using the cable provided. Please leave attached to the power socket for the entire duration of the study. To turn on, press and hold the button on the left side of the unit. After the introduction, the screen will change. The calibrating screen must reach 100% to work. If you do not allow the machine to reach 100%, then this will fail. After the blue calibration screen finishes and reaches 100%, this screen will be displayed. Find the gel tube, wipes and white circular stickers. Place the sticker firmly down onto a flat site or area of the body. The flat site or area of the body can be the chest, back or forehead. Squeeze 2 drops of gel into the hole of the sticker. Now remove the sensor by opening the blue side door. Gently unwind the wire to provide some slack. Attach the gold end of the probe onto the sticker. Press until it clicks in. Numbers will appear on the screen. They will drop initially and then gradually rise as the sensor gently warms up the skin. After 4 hours of being on your child, this sensor will need recalibration. This will require removing the sensor from your child, performing recalibration, and then placing the sensor back onto your child afterwards. The sensor can be pulled away without removing the sticker. Clean off any gel from the sensor using an alcohol wipe. It's important to check all the sensor connections and the signals throughout the night to ensure a good quality study. It is recommended, if possible, to do this every 2 hours. If you require any further assistance, please contact your healthcare professional.